There are three benefits creating object style in Adobe InDesign. Number one is consistency. Number two is time saving. And number three is easy update. So let's get started and learn creating and using object style in Adobe InDesign. For object style, you have to click on Windows and simply have to go on Styles, and you can see here object style. Control plus F7. This is a shortcut key of the object style. Simply you can click on this. Once you will click, you can find this complete panel of the object style. So you can simply format your object based on your requirement as you want. After that, save that style and you can reuse when you required. So let's see how we can format our object. For instance, this is something object that I have formatted. Now I want to save this style to use later. Okay, so simply have to click on this your formatted object and click here on new. Okay, and just you have to select object style 1. Okay, once you will select, this style has been saved inside this object style 1. Okay, now if you create any type of normal object and just click on this object style 1, you will see the defined style has been applied on this style just clicking once. Similarly, you can also predefine style in and save inside object style, and you can reuse when you require based on your requirement. So let's see how we can predefine the style. So just I am taking new styles from here, object style 2, and for instance this is our rectangle, so just we can rename from here rectangle. And this is for circle. I will define. Okay, simply have to right click and edit circle. Now once you will click on edit circle, so here you can see complete properties of an object, which you can simply define from here all the effects of all the properties which you can reuse on any type of object whenever you want to use. So for instance, I just click on fills and take this pink color and just command stroke, and I will keep it 4pt, and just I will keep tints only 50%. So these are properties I'm just saving on this style, and from here there are some effects panel is also available which you can use. For instance, I want shadow on my shape. Simply I can click on this, and from here you can simply define the shadow. Just I will keep 25%, and this is something you can do. And inner glow and satin, basic feather, inner outer glow, bevel and image. So these all properties is available here which can be used and saved on to apply on this object. So for instance, these are properties I have just saved and click on OK. Now if you click any type of object, for instance I'm just creating a circle, and this is normal circle. Okay, so just you have to select this, and once you will click on your circle style which you have recently defined style, so you can see here all this defined style has been applied on this circle. So similarly, you can define all the properties based on project requirement, object style which you can reuse or all the document when you require to use. Okay, so currently you can see here rectangle style is applied on these two objects. Okay, for instance I want to change color of this style, so simply I will just click right and edit rectangle, and here you have to click on fill. For instance I want blue color, so simply I will select this. So if you want to see from here only, simply you can preview on, and you can see here color has been updated. Similarly, you can also update the stroke corner. These all things you can update, as well as you can also apply drop shadow and other object effect properties from here, and simply have to click on OK once you have done. Now you can see all the object on which that particular style is applied has been updated automatically. So this can be very helpful for you while working. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.